Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hammer KO 2.0 earbuds. These are in-ear earbuds, as you can see from the image, that comes with ear hoops as well. This also comes with this charging case. As you can see, the variant I'm assuming is black. Over here it's written "Not the Unusual." This particular earbuds comes with touch control, IPX for water resistance and fall-free design for intense workouts. And some product parameters are mentioned over here: Bluetooth version 5.0, battery type rechargeable polymer lithium battery. The battery has a capacity of 50 mAh in each earbud and 500 mAh in the charging case, so it's a 500 mAh charging case. Standby time is 60 hours and play time is 4.5 hours. This device also comes with 1 year of warranty. I will open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what the interior looks like. Very classy, very elegant, has this nice design to it as well. I will slowly, very gently take out the products from this compartment over here. The charging case. Okay, so these are the components of the box, as you can see. And remove some of these parts. Let's quickly take a look at the documents first. So this is a user manual for the Hammer KO 2.0 earbuds. Everything that you need to know: product diagram, features, warning, do's and don'ts, everything is mentioned over here. It's a very important document. This, along with this, which is basically your warranty registration card, you should not lose, you should keep them safe. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, so we have two components here. One is a charging cable. There you go. This is a USB Type-C charging cable for this particular earbuds, for the Hammer KO 2.0 earbuds. And there are 4 extra silicone tips for the earbuds right over here. There are 4 extra silicone tips. These are your large variants and your small variants right over here. There you go. Keep them over here as well. This is the charging case that the Hammer KO 2.0 earbuds come in. This is a 500 mAh charging case. This is made out of ABS plastic and has this matte black finish to it. Okay, underneath it's written model name is Hammer KO 2.0. What else? Charge input 5 volts, battery 500 mAh, and over here you will notice the USB-C type charging port right over here. Let's open this, and there you go. Over here there's a caution which says, there's a caution notice over that says, after using the headset, please clean and dry the charging contact and then put it into the charging box. It's very useful advice. Let's quickly take a look at the earbuds. I've taken them out. Now by the way, these are magnetic charging points, which means that these two nodes must be in touch with these metallic plates at all time when you want to charge it, but they're also magnetic, which means they snap in like so. So, and this is it. This is what the earbuds look like. Let me keep this over here. These are the earbuds. This has this in-ear design and an angular nozzle as well. I will show you the angle. There you go. You will notice there is an angle to it. And it comes with these ear hoops as well. These are very flexible ear tips, by the way. You're not going to break them anytime soon. And it also has a matte black finish to it. Once again, these earbuds also comes with 50 mAh battery each. So that's a total of 500 plus 50 plus 50. That's 600 mAh of total battery capacity that comes with this particular device. Notice that this light is blinking green and red, which usually means that this device has entered pairing mode. Such devices, the way to enter pairing mode is just open the lid and take them out of the charging case and you're good to go. So since it has entered pairing mode, I will try to pair it with my smartphone. Let's see if that can be done. I have my smartphone right over here. I'm in the Bluetooth settings page and I'm getting a KO 2.0 option right over here, right off the bat. I'm going to click on that and then click on pair. It's giving me active 70% battery. I will now play some music. So yeah, these seem to be working absolutely fine. And let me put them back in the case actually. So here we go. This is 1 and this is 2. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Hammer KO 2.0 earbuds. Thank you for watching.